Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and loaded with features with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.